Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see hidden replies on Twitter, or you can just say X, right? So I will just open the X here. Once I open it, if you want to see the hidden replies on somebody's post, then it's very easy to do it. For example, let's say that I just open this not post, yeah, this post, and if I want to see the hidden replies, then on the top right you will see this small three dots icon. Just click over there, and here you will get this option of view hidden replies. And once I click on it, it will show me all the hidden replies, but in reality there is no hidden replies here. That's why I can't say it. I hope you understand that, right? And if you want to see your hidden replies in your post, then it's easy. You have to just go here, and once you go to your profile, you will see the post, right? So for example, that if I just come here, right, and if this is a post, and if some comment is here, then I can just hide the reply, right? For example, this is not a comment, but yeah. So if I see here comment here, I can just click on the three dots which will be on the right side of it, and I can just hide that reply. Once I hide that reply, I can just go to the main head right here, and I can just click there, and I can just click on view hidden replies, and I will able to see it. So this is how you can see. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, subscribe.